Question number 1. When was the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 passed by the National Assembly? Answer: the 10th of April 1973. Question number 2. When is the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 authenticated? Answer: the 12th of April 1973. Question number 3. When did the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 come into force? Answer: the 14th of August 1973. Question number 4. Which article defines Pakistan as the Islamic Republic of Pakistan? Answer: Article 1. Question number 5. Which article declares Islam as the state religion of Pakistan? Answer: Article 2. Question number 6. The Objectives Resolution became a substantive part of the Constitution through which article? Answer: Article 2A. Question number 7. Which article ensures elimination of exploitation? Answer: Article 3. Question number 8. Which article provides the right of individuals to be dealt with in accordance with law? Answer: Article 4. Question number 9. Which article makes loyalty to state and obedience to Constitution obligatory? Answer: Article 5. Question number 10. Which article deals with high treason? Answer: Article 6. Question number 11. Fundamental rights are provided in which part of the Constitution? Answer: Part 2, Chapter 1. Question number 12. Fundamental rights are covered from which articles? Answer: Articles 8 to 28. Question number 13. Which article provides that laws inconsistent with fundamental rights are void? Answer: Article 8. Question number 14. Which article guarantees the security of person? Answer: Article 9. Question number 15. Which article deals with safeguards as to arrest and detention? Answer: Article 10.